Hey everyone, this is Frank here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna look at Gundam Converge series, Tallgeese 3 from Gundam W series, Endless Walls. So I got this for around 20 bucks, pretty expensive. Since this is pretty old, so I had to reach to grab it. Yeah, to pay a premium for it, but just to complete my Endless Wall series collection. Yeah. Alright, so here I'm opening this up and let's look at it. Look at the box. It's pretty good. Okay. So the Gundam W series is one of the series I'm most familiar with, and this is piloted by the pilot Miyardo Peacecraft. There's a lot of story into it. You can get into it if we have a chance. So you can see the kit is divided by the body, the antenna, and then the shield, and the beam cannon gun, and the pedestal as a bottom. Okay, so here we put it on the antenna onto the forehead, and we're on the shield. Yeah, love the sound. And beam cannon. The beam cannon is actually pretty sick. In the anime, it only launched once, and it missed the target. Well, didn't miss, but it was a little bit late to the target, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so here putting all my Endless Wall collections. You can see it's a little bit dusty on some of the parts, so I gotta clean it later. Yeah. I think this full set, I think I got them for, got them for a total of almost 100 bucks for this whole set, to be honest. It's kind of expensive, but worth every dollar of it. Here's Nataku, heavy arm, and you can see it has the Joker mask, and Sandrock. Yeah. Here we have it. This is the box of the Tallgeese 3 Gundam Converge series, and I hope you guys like it. Peace out. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Hey, so this is the place I'm putting the Tallgeese 3. This is the only Tallgeese I have from all the Gundam W series. So here's the Wind Zero, Epion, Fire, and I forgot his name. And here's the Verka series. Right, looks great. And then the W series, the Endless Wall series here. Yeah, the collection. These cost a fortune, but well worth it. Cool. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.